Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to launch Audi S6 full guide. Hold the brake firmly, select Sport mode, then rev to a stable launch RPM around 3,000 and release the brake while flooring the throttle to engage a controlled launch. Modulate traction control as needed to prevent excessive wheel spin and monitor engine and transmission temps during repeated runs to protect drivetrain components and maintain consistent launches. Preparing for a proper launch starts with a consistent routine to reduce variables and improve repeatability. Inspect tires, set suspension and drive modes, and confirm the engine and transmission are at operating temperature before attempting a launch. Position the car on a level surface with adequate grip, clear any hazards, and ensure you have legal permission to perform launches. A calm, deliberate approach helps protect the car and refine your technique. Focus on a consistent throttle application and braking technique to achieve repeatable launches without overtaxing the drivetrain. If available, use a launch control feature to simplify inputs, but understand its limits and reset points. Keep sessions short and monitor temperatures, giving components time to cool between runs. Always prioritize safety, follow local laws, and practice in a controlled environment to build confidence and reduce risk to you and the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.